once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait.
Now log into the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Now from the left side menu, click Things. Here click Create Thing. Here we can rename the thing name to Noise Pollution Monitoring. Click here and click Rename. Now click on the Continue button. Here we need to add the variables. Click the plus variable button from the top right. Now select the variable type as integer. Enter the first variable name as noise level. Now click on the create button. Now create the second variable, which is noise status. So the variable type is string. Again click the create button. Now we need to add the third variable, which is raw ADC. This is an integer variable type. Again click the create button. Now from the left side menu, click associated device. Here click new device and then we need to select compatible devices. Here we are using ESP32 board, so select the device type as ESP32. And the device model is ESP32 DOV module. Select the model. Now click continue. We can give any device name. Now click this tick button. Now we need to copy this secret key. Now select this checkbox and click the continue button. Now we need to select the network. Click this change network link. Here you need to enter the Wi-Fi username and password and then paste the secret key which we copied. Now click Go to Sketch. Here the basic code template is generated and we need to write the program here. I have already wrote the program. I am just copy pasting the code. You can find the program link in the video description. Now connect the ESP32 board to your laptop and click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. Now again go to this menu. Now select dashboards. Here click create dashboard. Here we can rename the dashboard to noise pollution monitoring. Click here, click the rename button. Click the rename button here. Now we need to add the widgets. Click this edit button on the top right. Click this add button. First add a gauge. Give the gauge name as noise level. And we need to link the variable. Click this link variable button and link with noise level. Again click this link variable. Give the maximum value as 500. Now click on the done button. Again click the add button and we need to add the value widget. Here give the name as noise status. Click this link variable, link with the noise status. Again click the link variable button. Click done. We need to add one more widget. Click add, click value. So this is also noise level. Click link variable, link with the noise level variable. Click done. Again click the done button on the top right. So from this dashboard we can check the output. We can also check the output through the mobile application. For that, download the IoT remote application from the Play Store. Once you open the application, you can see the dashboard which we created in the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Now click on the dashboard. So from this screen, we can check the output.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.